What if you could upgrade your everyday life with gadgets that feel straight out of the future? From smart home tools to powerful mini devices, today we're exploring some of the most creative and useful products that don't just look cool, they actually make your life easier, smarter, and more fun. Let's dive in. Portable shower head. Imagine being able to take a refreshing shower anywhere you go. Whether you're camping in the mountains, traveling to remote areas, or even dealing with a water outage at home, a portable shower head gives you that freedom. Just place the small pump into a bucket of water, and within seconds, you have a steady stream just like a real shower. It's lightweight, rechargeable, and incredibly easy to carry. Some models even offer different spray modes or filtering systems, giving you a more comfortable and clean experience. It's not just for bathing either. You can use it to wash your car, clean gear, or even rinse off pets. Pet station. Keeping your pet's feeding area clean can be a daily struggle, but a pet station makes everything simple and organized. Instead of having food bags lying around and bowls scattered everywhere, this setup keeps everything neatly in one place. It often includes built-in storage to keep food fresh and feeding bowls positioned for easy access. Some designs even elevate the bowls, which helps improve your pet's posture and digestion. It's perfect for busy pet owners who want a cleaner home and a more comfortable feeding experience for their furry friend. UFO Rocking Chair. This chair looks like something straight out of the future. The UFO Rocking Chair combines a unique, eye-catching design with a relaxing motion that helps you unwind after a long day. Its curved structure gives you a smooth rocking experience that feels almost like floating. Whether you're reading, listening to music, or just relaxing, it creates a calm and cozy atmosphere. It's more than just furniture, it's a statement piece that instantly upgrades the look of your space. Stair climbing hand truck. Carrying heavy items upstairs is one of the most exhausting tasks, but this tool completely changes that. With its special rotating wheel design, it moves smoothly over stairs without needing extra strength. You can transport boxes, groceries, or equipment with much less effort, saving both time and energy. It's especially useful for people living in apartments or anyone who regularly deals with heavy lifting. Once you try it, going back to carrying things by hand feels impossible. Mini bag sealer. We've all opened a bag of snacks and struggled to keep it fresh afterward. This small but powerful gadget solves that problem instantly. It uses heat to reseal plastic bags in seconds, locking in freshness and flavor. It's compact enough to carry anywhere and easy to use. Just press and slide. No more clips or wasted food. Whether you're at home or traveling, it keeps your snacks fresh and your kitchen more organized. Two-in-one slim coffee maker. For coffee lovers, convenience is everything. This slim coffee maker gives you the freedom to use both coffee pods and ground coffee, depending on your mood. Its compact design fits perfectly in small spaces, making it ideal for kitchens, offices, or even dorm rooms. It brews quickly while still delivering rich, satisfying flavor. It's the perfect balance between style, flexibility, and performance. Toner warmer. There's nothing better than stepping out of a shower and wrapping yourself in a warm towel. This device brings that luxury into your everyday routine. It heats towels evenly and also helps them dry faster, reducing moisture and odors. Especially during cold weather, it adds a level of comfort that makes your daily routine feel like a spa experience. Refrigerator Lazy Soon. If your refrigerator is always messy, this simple tool can completely change that. It rotates smoothly, allowing you to access items at the back without moving everything in front. It keeps everything visible and organized, helping you save time and reduce food waste. It's a small upgrade that makes a surprisingly big difference in your daily life. Smart flower pots. Taking care of plants becomes much easier with smart flower pots. These devices monitor water levels and sometimes even remind you when your plant needs attention. They're perfect for people who love plants but don't always remember to care for them regularly. With minimal effort, your plants stay healthy and vibrant. It's like having a smart assistant dedicated to your greenery. Magnetic levitating speaker. This is one of the most eye-catching gadgets you'll ever see. A speaker that actually floats in the air while playing music. Using magnetic technology, it levitates and rotates, creating a futuristic look that instantly grabs attention. Beyond the design, it also delivers clear and powerful sound. It's both a functional device and a conversation starter. Seven-in-one wireless charging station. Dealing with multiple chargers and messy cables can be frustrating. This device solves that by allowing you to charge several devices at once in one place. It keeps your desk clean and organized while powering your phone, watch, earbuds, and more. It's a perfect solution for modern lifestyles filled with multiple gadgets. Mini chainsaw. Don't let the size fool you. This mini chainsaw is surprisingly powerful. It's designed for cutting branches, small logs, and handling light outdoor work with ease. It's lightweight, easy to control, and much faster than manual tools. Whether you're doing garden work or small DIY projects, it saves time and effort. Smart Fingerprint Padlock. Forget keys and complicated combinations. This smart padlock opens instantly with your fingerprint, giving you quick and secure access. It's perfect for lockers, bags, or even doors. Some models can store multiple fingerprints, making it convenient for shared use. It's a modern solution that combines security with simplicity. Which gadget amazed you the most? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more.